what is the most important thing you will say to the beginners that is needed to start English communication skill? Yeah, if you want to be fluent, so what is the most important thing according to
Okay.
your?
I would give and I would suggest 3C formulas.
My name is Bharat Panchal. Yeah, and I'm a government primary teacher. I'm from Maharashtra. I teach English and sometimes my mother tongue to sixth and seventh standard. Apart from that, I'm a religious preacher. I give religious preachers in the surrounding villages. Yeah, as far as my qualification is concerned, I'm graduate. I have done my graduation. Yeah, that's all from my side, man.
Wow, fantastic introduction from your side that you are a teacher. I'm so excited and elated to have this conversation with the teacher. Okay, sir, let me introduce myself. I'm
Yes,
Priya.
please.
I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm a college going student. So I'm
Hmm.
doing my bachelor degree, BA English Literature on final year in Government Arts and Science College. So nowadays I have been concentrating on conversation videos, making such kind of conversation in order to improve my English fluency. And I have a YouTube channel named called Priya's English World where I can post spoken English related content. So past 1 week I have started to post conversation videos too. So it really workful and useful and amazing. So that's it all about me. I'm so excited to having this conversation with you, especially you are a teacher, I am a student.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice introduction, ma'am. And I am really thrilled to speak with you, as you are a college student and yet you are running your YouTube channel. Yeah,
Yes.
that's nice. So when did you start your YouTube channel, ma'am?
Okay, let me tell you, sir. When I was studying second year of my
Mhm.
college, I have started my YouTube journey. So where
Yeah.
I can post spoken English related content videos. There itself, I have started my English journey too. So
Mhm.
when I was started my YouTube journey, in that time, I could not know to speak English properly. I could speak, but not correct manner. So I have made a lot of mistakes. So I have received a lot of negative comments and criticism. And my friends also teased at me, mocked at me when I
Mhm.
started to speak in English. But yes, I disheartened in that time because they offended me a lot by their words. But I never ever give up. I didn't hear their words. I just ignored them all and I just focus on my English journey. You can see I am an English literature student. Being an English literature student, definitely I would want to speak English in a perfect manner. So everyone expects it, isn't it? But when it come to my friends and college circle, I could not find an English environment. So that's why I have been searching these kind of environment for a long time. Right now, I have found out amazing environment where we can practice English with lot of co-learners and teachers and lot of communication codes too. So it's really a wonderful opportunity for me.
Yeah. Really, your journey is very wonderful and you are very enthusiastic about English. You want to help others to enhance their communications. That's nice to hear. Uh, One thing I would like to ask you, ma'am, what is the most important thing you will say to the beginners that is needed to start English communication skill? Yeah, if you want to be fluent. So, what is the most important thing according to
Okay.
your?
I would give and I would suggest 3C formulas. First, for beginners, one who would like to learn English, first they should have a clarity among their English journey. Why
Mhm.
should they want to speak English? Why should they want to learn English? First, they want to be clarify about why. If why is clear, automatically they are going to have the interest.
Mm.
If someone wants to speak in English, definitely that person should want to be more enthusiastic about learning this language. If the person should be like couch potato, a lazy person, but want to learn English means it can't possible for the person to learn English. So for beginners, I would suggest them first you want to be clarify and be clarity why you are learning this language. Then you should want to develop your confidence. Second C stands for confidence. Confidence is must because when you start your English journey, lot of people are going to mock at you. So you don't ever give up. And the third C stands for consistency. Consistency is a key for everything, for success especially. But when it comes to English journey, it play a phenomenal role. So without consistency and practice, you cannot achieve your English fluency. So
Yeah,
these three C plus I would suggest, sir.
very nice of you, ma'am. Because as you say that perseverance, consistency, and never give up tendency are the crucial things to be fluent in English. And sometimes we feel that yet it's not my cup of tea. I would never be able to speak English. But we must have confidence and we must believe upon our potential, and we should speak English on the regular basis. Definitely it will help us to be fluent, and sometimes someday we will get hold on that language. There is no doubt about that. So
Yes, sir, you're absolutely right.
yeah, one question that is taking place in my mind, ma'am. In our India, in our country, uh, from the last 10 to 15 years, the affection for English is increasing. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
When I was a student, that time such importance was not given to English. English that time was only a subject, only to get 35 marks and get pass. We never had an intention to speak English. But now, from the last 15 years, I see that every person wants his child to take admission in the English medium school should speak English fluently. And in this way, affection for English is increasing among the people. So, what do you think, ma'am? What is the main reason behind
Yeah, you're absolutely right, sir. English is very demanding nowadays.
it?
Why? Because even though we are Indians, our national language is Hindi. But apart from North Indians, when it comes to South Indians, they are not giving a lot of importance to learning Hindi.
Yeah,
They are opposing to learn Hindi. But when it comes to learning English, they are very keen and curious to learn this language. Why? Because it's become a global language, no? It's
yeah,
not only for a particular states. It become a globalized language. So a lot of spoken English classes have started. Communication coach center have started. So it is very demanding nowadays. Why? Because to get a job, to make communication with all over the world, wherever we go. But we didn't know that native language. But if we know English, we are able to make conversation with the people just by using English. So that's why English play a very significant role as a globalized language.
yeah. Nice
And
answer.
you know
Nice.
one thing, sir, English is very easy to learn. According
Oh,
to my point of view, it's easy. It's not a rocket science, but it will take some time and effort and practice.
yeah. Your words are very encouraging, ma'am, for the beginners. You said that English is a very simple language. Yeah,
Yes.
and I'm also learning this language from the last 2 years. Yeah, but yet I have not been able to speak that much fluent English. But definitely, as you said that English is simple language, easy language. So definitely, I will get that yeah progress in the coming time. No doubt about that.
Yeah,
Uh, but
absolutely.
but among the students, this thought is not there that this is an English language, easy language. People, the students think that it is a hard language. Yeah.
Yeah, why? Because the first thing they did not have interest, or
Mhm.
they do not find English is as a such interesting subject. That is the
Mm.
main thing. If you don't have interest, you cannot learn anything. But
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
have interest to do something, even mathematics become very easy for you.
yeah.
But when it comes to me, maths is a daunting and difficult task for me. Why? Because I don't have that much of interest among mathematics, maths as a subject. But when I see English, English is my favorite subject. All the English teachers are my favorite teachers. So I have the
Mhm.
keen and interest, curious and enthusiasm about learning that language. So
Mm.
interest, enthusiasm playing a significant role.
Sure, sure. And I think that as you are speaking, much better English. So I think that you are enthusiastic and you have interest about English from your childhood. I think,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. And one thing I would like to state here that why children think that English is a hard language because they do not get that much chance to express their views in English.
Yeah.
They do not get chance to speak. That is the main reason I think. When they will listen English, so that time they will get habitual to use that language. They'll think that this is a easy language, but they do not listen English. They are not listening English at home. They are not listening English at school. They are not speaking English with their colleagues. And when we are not listening English, so how it is possible for anyone to speak that language? Because we know that listening is the first important thing to learn any language. And here you are not getting that much English environment around us. That is the main
Yes.
reason. Yeah, you see that in our state also English is not used in the class also. Hardly teachers are speaking English. Most of the times they are using their mother tongue to teach English. Translation method was there
Of
before some
course.
time. Translation method. And so student didn't get chance to listen English. And that's why they think that English is a hard language. But now the condition has totally changed. Now you can listen English everywhere. You can speak English everywhere. And
Wow.
this
English,
application has done a
English.
favor.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this kind has done a lot of favor on you, on me, you, on everyone. It has given
Yes.
us ability to express, to interact with each other across India. And so we are getting chance to speak English.
Yes, sir. You said absolutely right. Because lack of English environment, the people and students should think English is very hard language. If
Yeah,
we express ourselves in English environment means we easily learn this language. How we have learned our mother tongue.
yeah. And I think that in Tamil Nadu, um, to some extent, English atmosphere is there. English environment is there because once in my life, I had been to Tamil Nadu, so they were understanding English. Yeah, whenever I spoke them, they were understanding. Sometimes they were not able to express. But they were understanding English. So in Tamil Nadu, English is spoken. Yeah, in the most part of Tamil Nadu, English is spoken there. Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
had been to Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. Most of the people know English. Yeah,
As you mentioned before, no, English is a demanding language. So
yeah,
that's why
yeah.
some people have started to learn this language. They become fluent. They have a good command over in this language.
Yeah. And recently, right now, everywhere there are so many multiple English schools. Now the next generation will have no problems as far as English speaking is concerned. Now there are English schools everywhere, even in small towns, small rural areas. There are English schools. So after 10 years or 20 years, English will be spoken everywhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100% fact.
Yeah.
Which
It
means,
is the fact.
yeah, you are just telling the future. After 15 years, the world will be like that in present. But your
Definitely,
point of view is good and fact too.
definitely.